fun fact, I'd say fun fact, overuse of the word fun, but when a transit van gets to 0 range, it fakes in like a little misfire when you're on the gas. It like does a little kind of cough when you're like accelerating like really slowly, but then if you drive really slowly and it goes up to like 3 miles of range, and then it stops doing it, and then you floor it again, it goes back to 0, it starts coughing and spluttering. Thankfully we're at the garage, so we're going to get some fuel, so not an issue, but you can do about 20 miles of range on that anyway, so